Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we discuss about the basics of C++. So first of all, create a new folder in your desktop and open the folder and right click on it and click on open with code. It will redirect you to Visual Studio Code. Create a new file. First of all, we discuss about what is header file. So header file is used to show the output and take input from input in terminal. This is the work of header file. So now talk about how to write header file. Header file is has include IO stream. This is the header file. Basically the use of header file is to take input from user and give output to the terminal or console. Terminal, if you don't know about terminal console, do comment on the video. I will make the next video in this topic. After that, type using namespace std. Don't mind this, I will cover this topic in the next video. Okay, after that come to the main function. Now what is main function? Okay, what is main function? What is main function? The main function is a special function. Every C++ program must have the main function. It serves an entry. It serves an entry point for the program. What is main function? The main function is a special function. Every C++ program must have the main function. It serves a entry point for the program. A main function is a special function which is used to start the code which you will write in main function. Okay. Every C++ program must have main function. Without main function, the program, the console or terminal will not justify that whatever you want to write in your program. So the main function is used for this purpose. Okay, it serves the entry point for the program. Main function is the entry point of a program. Let's move to the next point, which is our body. Body is inside the main function in which we write our code to get output and get input from user. Here I will write a program of hello world. Okay, cout. What is cout? Cout is used to print the output in the terminal. Cout is used to print the output in terminal. Cout hello world. And this is necessary to write semicolon in the ending of every line. For that, type return 0. Now talk about what is initialization and declaration of variable. I know you don't know about variable, so don't worry about it. In the upcoming video, I will discuss about variable. Now discuss about what is initialization and declaration. Write int a. This is called declaration, and a is equals to 10 and put semicolon. This is called initialization. Declaration means you declare declare the name of a variable. Okay, and initialization means you initialize the value of that variable. After that we print the variable. Cout value of a is a. After that click on run button. You can see that hello world and value of a is 10 is printed in the terminal. But one thing you have noticed that hello world and the value of a is 10. Between the hello world and value of 10 is value of a is 10. There is no space. So if you want to add space between this, you can simply add space in this. And after run the program, you can see that hello world space value of a is 10, and you want to break the line, means you want to the value of a is 10 in the next line, then you have to type endl here. Now you can see that the line is breaked. Hello world and the value of a is 10. Hello world in the first line and the value of a is 10 in the next line. In this video we have discussed about the basics of C++. If you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and save the playlist for your future reference. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.